Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to get a private number feature in any Android phone like iPhone. It doesn't matter if you are using a small Android phone, you can easily get it from Play Store. Simply you have to download an app. Let me show you which app you have to download. First go to Play Store and search Magic Call, then download this. It's free on Play Store. You don't have to pay any extra charges, and let me show you how it works. First open this. You can see you also change your voice into a female, male, baby, normal. In all these voices, it doesn't show your number in other phone while you calling them. And you also change your background music like traffic, airport, which background music you want to choose. There are a lot of background music, background sound, and also if you want to use this app, you have to earn credits. You can easily buy them. Like I'm in Australia right now, so this show me the 6.49 AU Australian dollar, and for 300 credits, and you can easily earn them by watching videos like this. You see, it's so simple. You have to watch at least 3 videos. One more ad, and that's it. After this ad, mm, you see, after watching 3 videos, I earn 6 credits, and now my balance is 30. And you can use this if you wanna call someone. You can call anybody in any country. It doesn't matter. Alright friends, so this feature you can use with this app. So hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and help me to grow my channel. Thank you friends for watching.